Good morning. Well, this is a little different perspective than the last video. Kind of giving you an idea. So it's just me and Doug, the truck driver, and he's left with a load. Dad's gone to the chiropractor and some other things, so he'll be back later on. So right now I've got a short truck to fill and a grain cart to fill until Doug gets back. I don't know if y'all can see that. Maybe up there you can. So after getting everything fueled up and greased, we've got the day started. Windows are a little dusty. I've got a California duster I'll bring back after lunch and wipe them down. Well, I guess nothing is better. I guess something is better than nothing. I didn't think before Doug left if we would have thought we'd put the grain cart at one end and the truck at the other end, because that's all I'm able to do is go all the way down to the end, and I'm full. So I'm having to drive all the way back burning fuel. But you got to do what you got to do sometimes. And hopefully I can get some help here pretty soon. Well, I've got the cart full and the tandem full. Truck's not back, so I'm gonna run in with that and grab me a sandwich and maybe get something done after that. Start to see some cob over there in that sample. So we may need to look at that too. Not been running any cob. Well, I got a grain cart driver for a minute. We went in, ate lunch, unloaded white truck. Couldn't put what we had on the grain cart on the grain cart on the truck. So Doug's gonna drive the grain cart till we get them full. Maybe Dad will be back then. Told him just drive on down to the far end and meet me. I'll unload on them there, then come back down and back again, and should have quite a bit then. Well, Dad is back from the chiropractor and whatever he had to do. I think he jumped on the grain cart. Doug has took that load off, and I'm probably about to get booted from the combine here. It was fun while it lasted. And there he is. Well, I was cutting some inroads and Got a little too close to a pine tree. Got my Christmas tree on here. I like just a little bit having the cart full. Got a good load on that one. So I'm gonna get off on here, and I guess Dad'd probably get on, cut it, and maybe get a truck back here soon. Well, we've been waiting for over an hour. We ain't shelled nothing in over an hour because we've been waiting on this truck to come back. We're about done with the farm, and we got the white truck here, but we didn't want to send him back to town with a half load. So we're gonna load him, and then whatever's left over is gonna put on the white truck and move fields this afternoon. We got this field done. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the truck. Whatever's left over, put on the white truck. We're gonna move fields and probably just get it kind of opened up for right now. So we'll bring you back then. Got my buddy Vince over there. Looks like maybe Nate, his son, on the combine. Got the chaser tractor back there. Yeah, that's Nate. And we're just going up the road here. I got my yield sensor in from Luke, so we're going to put that on here before we get started, and maybe get this thing set tonight. Well, the sun is going down. Got my sensors hooked up, trying to calibrate this thing. Probably won't show any magic numbers yet on that thing, so I know it's right, or think it's right. So we're probably about to call this a day. This is the last pass I'm gonna make tonight. I think the neighbors across the road over there, yeah, they've done quit. I think we got a truckload for in the morning, so we'll bring you back then. So we shelled about 8 o'clock last night. I mentioned the clean grain elevator keeps getting clogged. Well, it's only if you fill it all the way up. If you get it to right above that little window up there on the extension, you're all right. So we've replaced some springs on the clutch, and maybe that's got that solved. I'm working on that. I don't think that's actual bushels, but so what we got to do is get the weights off of a full truck, and so the springs on the clutch, that seemed to help or work, because I filled this thing all the way up and it didn't choke the clean grain auger. So I think we're good on that part. And that's a good clean sample too. I have been demoted back to grain cart driver. So we got her kicked in gear. Went and made us a nice lunch. Well, they got back just in time. We're gonna offload on him, go get some more, and then I guess after we get the cart full, after we fill him up, get the white truck. We are about to bump augers. Well, I parked the grain cart. Time to burn up this old truck. It got cool for a couple of days, a week or two ago. Now I think it's up around 90. I'll survive though. Over bins this morning. We'll fill that nut next. We got 12 loads, I think it is, out of the 25 we had booked. I booked another 5 today. Wasn't what I wanted in price, but we don't have the storage here. Phenomenal crop this year. Well, we've had some help, and truck's back, and they've got this end cut out. So I may talk to Dad. James can run the grain cart, and if he wants to take a break, I'll run the combine. If not, I guess I'll straw boss. Wait till they get another truck full so I can run this one. Well, I was on the other end waiting for him to fill up on me, but I guess he saw the truck come back. He could have just dumped on the grain cart. why he's cutting only 6 rows at a time. He may be trying to get on a row, if that makes any sense. But still a lot of green out there, but it's dry. Times like these is when I wish we'd kept that other grain cart. The farmer who bought it, easy fix, he's using it, running it in the field. Well, we got a truck ready in the morning. It's getting dark. Got another hopper to put on here on this white truck, and I'm gonna say we'll probably quit after that. So thanks for watching the video. God bless you. Farmmerchbin.com if you want some Thomas Farm swag, hats, t-shirts, koozies, water bottles. Got a water bottle right there. I was going to show it, but it's dark. So we'll catch you on the next one.